Pests absolute hate this one simple trick. It's organic, has no chemicals, and works instantly. Get a 24-hour pest killer today.
Your crops look healthy today, but pests can destroy them overnight. What if one simple homemade spray could stop them naturally? This powerful 3-in-1 organic formula combines neem, garlic, and hot peppers to create a pest-fighting knitting knockout spray.
Farmers spend money on chemicals every season. But this 3-in-1 solution is different. It is made using simple ingredients.
And stay until the end because I'll show you the exact mixing ratio of neem, garlic, and pepper that makes the difference. First, gather your ingredients: 2 handfuls of fresh neem leaves, 2 garlic heads, and 5 to 6 hot peppers. You'll also need hot water, dish soap, a container, a cloth filter, a spray bottle, and gloves.
When preparing hot peppers, very important, wear gloves. They can irritate your skin and eyes.
First, we place the fresh neem leaves into the mortar. Now we add the garlic and the fiery peppers. This will create a powerful blend. Grind the neem, garlic, and pepper. Add a little water if necessary. Once the neem, garlic, and pepper paste is ready, transfer it into a clean container. Now pour in 1 liter of hot water. Remember, hot water, not boiling water. Cover the container tightly and allow the mixture to steep overnight. Let it sit for 12 to 24 hours so the active compounds can fully infuse. The next day, filter the mixture carefully. Pass it through a fine cloth. Squeeze out every drop of liquid. This contains the power of neem, garlic, and pepper. Proper filtering of the mixture is essential. Plant particles can clog your spray nozzle. Now add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap. The soap helps the spray stick to leaves longer, improving effectiveness against insects. Add the remaining half liter of water to the mixture liquid and stir gently. Avoid making excessive bubbles. Gentle mixing is all you need. Pour the neem, garlic, and pepper finished concentrate into a spray bottle or storage container.
Here's the secret many people miss. Dilute the concentrate at a ratio of 1 to 5. That means 1 part concentrate mixed with 5 parts water before spraying.
Apply the spray early in the morning or late in the evening. Make sure to cover every leaf, especially the undersides where pests often hide.
This organic spray may help repel common garden pests. It works on aphids, whiteflies, caterpillars, and beetles. For best results, repeat the treatment once every week.
No expensive chemicals, no complicated equipment, just simple ingredients working together. If you found this farming tip useful, hit like and share it with another farmer today.
Yo, what's up guys? Smash that like button right now, drop a comment down below, subscribe and hit that bell, and share this with your friends. Catch you in the next one.